Hello everyone, welcome back to the Linux command series, and in this video we are going to talk about a pretty common command like which everyone knows, but since it is a very useful command and basically everyone uses, even they don't know much about it, so we can't miss it. So let's go and discuss about the command which is cd. I should maximize my terminal. Let's zoom it a little too. Okay, so the command is cd, and cd is the short form of change directory, which is used to change the current directory. Like I am currently in home directory. This symbol means I am in home directory. If I type pwd, this is used to show present working directory. So this is slash home slash Monday in my system. Uh, you can use cd command to change any directory. Like previously we discussed about ls command, which lists the command. If we did not, then it is used to list all the files and folders in the current directory. And see, if I want to move in this desktop directory, then I will just use cd and the name of this folder and press enter. So I will just enter into this folder. So you see, uh, currently I am in desktop folder. If I use pwd, then it is showing like my present directory is slash home slash Monday slash desktop. So this is how you can change the directory. And you just notice, like I typed ls. See, this is the directory. When I type cd and directly the name of this folder, this is relative path, like path of the folder in respect to my current directory. So I can go in that folder, okay. But if I look for the exact path by pwd, so this the exact path is slash home. Absolute path is slash home slash Monday slash desktop slash textbox. I can use this path to go into this directory to, like, let's copy and let's paste here. uh, Directory is not changed, but we can go in some other directory and then paste it. See, now I am in correct directory. So this is how you can use cd to move into directory, basically changing your current working directory in your terminal by cd, and the path of the folder where you want to go, like which you want to set to the current working directory. And the path can be two types: absolute path and relative path, which I explained with the demo. And also, like there are some special directories which you can say. One is dot. Dot represent to the current directory. So if I say cd dot, it will go nowhere because dot is current directory. uh, and you can give path in respect to dot too, like dot slash. Dot slash means current directory and linux commands folder in that. So I want to go in that, so it will go. And there is one more special directory path, you can say, which is dot dot, which represent to the parent directory of current directory. So I am in linux commands directory, and if I want to go to textbox directory, I just need to slash write not ls, I need to write cd dot dot, like change directory to the my parent directory. See, I am in the textbox directory now. I can also specify the path in respect to my parent directory from here. Like I want to go to cd dot dot slash. Now it is saying for go in my root directory or parent directory. Then from that directory, I want to go in some other directory. Let's say there is a directory name playing with Docker in my parent directory, so I'm gonna go in that. See, I'm in that. If I use pwd, see, my present working directory is changed. This is how you can use it. We can check, go in textbox and see there is a playing with Docker folder there too. We were there in that folder. We executed this command from our linux commands folder, and now we are in playing with Docker folder. So this is how you can use the cd directory command, cd command to change directories, you can play along with it. You can help more options by help, like for symbolic links to be followed, etc. You can just read this help and get an idea like what you can do more with this command. And in Windows too, like cd command exists in both Windows and Linux, so you can, if even if you are using, you can use uh, window to explore your terminal and commands. Okay, that's all about in this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.